Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to add family member to Life360 app or to invite family members. In order to add family members to Life360, you just have to follow the simple steps. So what you need to do is first thing first, open up your Life360 and then log into your account. While you're logged in, at the bottom of the page, you could also find add a person. Through this feature, you could also go ahead and add it by sending them an invite code. You could just send this code to the different platform, and this way you should be able to invite family as well. Next thing, you could also go ahead and add them manually. So for them, you have to go ahead and press the gear icon from the top right, and if you go to circle management, you have this edit circle, or you could see this option is add circle members. Do the same procedure, and then this way you could go ahead and add family member to Life360. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.